Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how to stop saving a photo in Viber app on your Android. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put likes and write your comments. So let us get started with you. And first of all, open the Viber app on your device. Then at the bottom on the right side, tap on the three dots to go to the menu. Here you will need to tap on Settings. In the Settings, select Media. And here you will be able to find an option called Save to Gallery. It is responsible for making all media files that come to you in Viber. They are automatically saved to your gallery. As you can see, this option is set by default, and if you would like to disable it, just click on this checkbox. This way you will disable it, and there will be no more auto-saving of photos and videos in Viber. If you want to save something, you will have to do it with a specific media file manually. If you want to re-enable auto-saving of photos and videos, just go to this menu and click on this circle next to Save to Gallery to activate this function again. Friends, with this method you can stop saving photos in Viber app on your Android very quickly and easily. Put your likes and write your comments, friends. Take care.